Hello, I'm Donovan Smith. Today I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna start at 20 seconds. I'm just trying to show you that the cube is not fake or this is real. I'm gonna go now. Oh, my stomach hurts. Yeah, people, this is real. I get bored. I decided to make video for the tube. YouTube, that is. Right. Not one of those super geniuses that can do it in like 8 seconds. Taking about 2-3 minutes. Just depends on how fast I go and how many mess ups I get. But I guarantee you it won't be any longer than 5 minutes. Nowhere near 5 minutes, hopefully, if I can get cooperates this time. Oh, I hope it's not. That would be very embarrassing to do this on video. It takes too long. You know what I mean? Oh, messed up there. Okay, here we go. That worked. Anytime I've done it off camera, it shouldn't take me this long. And I'm done. I'm done at 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I was done. It took me about a minute this time, folks. Yeah. I'll probably post another video later on how to do this. Learn how to do this thanks to Devin Rushing. Yeah. I don't want to take all the credit. See ya.